Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it, it's a 3.5 V6 with 248 horsepower and 251 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch split 5-spoke alloy wheels. Black MB-Tex interior with an aluminum trim. Sunroof. Rear spoiler. C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of all-season floor mats. 60/40 fold-down rear seats. This one is also the sports package with the sports exterior and interior. Premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system. Memory seats, power windows, steering wheel controls, media display, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, automatic transmission, turn wheel for the infotainment center. The C-Class has 67,720 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.